today I wanted to go ahead and go through with you one of my favorite products from 더스킨하우스 called Wrinkle Snail System Cream. I wanted to go through the packaging, the ingredients with you guys. This product has been selling for a little over 10 years. It's one of the best-selling products, and the mother company has been in production since 1975. Let's go ahead and start with the packaging, the front side. So it says Wrinkle Snail System Cream, replenishing and nourishing cream for rough and aged skin. And I want to start off by naming the first ingredient of this product is snail secretion filtrate, which, if you don't know, the first ingredient listed means that that ingredient has the most in the product. So snail secretion filtrate is very, very, very present in this product, which is very good. Applying in the morning and night to a cleansed face and neck at the last step of skincare. This luxurious Wrinkle Snail System Cream helps cellular renewal for a supple and toned skin. Right here you can also see the amount of product that is in the box, which is 100 milliliters. You can also see the website, and it also has a recyclable label, and it also has a 6-month expiry date, which is really awesome that it has that there for you guys to see. Let's go ahead and open up the product. So immediately after you open it, you can see that it has a GMP label. The GMP label means that this product has been cleanly and healthily manufactured. So if any of your products have GMP label, it is a really, really good sign. So that is a really big plus for me.